Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment, make sure your PC meets minimum specs, then download Visual Studio Installer. Open the installer, select the desktop development with NET workload, and check the VB, NET templates. Once done, add the NET 6 or 7 SDK if you plan to target modern frameworks. Make sure to include optional components like Windows SDK and installer tools. This gets you straight into project creation without detours. The installer handles dependencies so you can focus on code. Now create your VB, NET project. File, New Project, then pick Console App, VB, or Windows Forms, VB. Name it, choose location, and set the target framework. Pick NET 6/7 for cross-platform or NET Framework 4/8 for legacy. Once created, configure NuGet package sources, restore packages, and set debug vs release configurations. Make sure platform target matches your dependencies, x86 or x64. Then build once to verify references. This reveals missing SDKs or package issues early so you can fix them quickly. Finish by running your app with F5 and using breakpoints to step through code. This shows how your logic executes and where errors occur. Make sure the correct startup project is set and monitor the output and error list windows. Build errors tell you what to fix. If you encounter missing assemblies or package errors, restore or install them via NuGet, or change the target framework and rebuild. One key troubleshooting tip: if the debugger won't attach, restart Visual Studio and run as administrator to rule out permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.